Okay, so we are going on a hike today, but first we gotta meet our friends who are coming along on the hike. Just arrived at our friend's house.
I'm so sorry guys, I just woke up. So guys, our friend is not gonna join.
Normally we would have an American guy joining us, but he's not gonna join because apparently he just woke up. Okay, so it will just be our Czech friend. There he is.
Nice.
Our American friend is not gonna join us.
I don't know. There's Mr. President.
Mr. President just said he just woke up.
I said, oh shit, I'm so sorry guys,
I just woke up.
Maybe it was the fucking monster he drank at 8 p.m. or something.
Probably stayed up
Do you
until
guys
like...
want to use these ones?
Ooh,
Yeah,
I also have the sliding mattress in my backpack.
that is fun.
In Norwegian, those beauties are called het rumpeakebrett. Rumpe means ass. Bread is something you serve things on in a restaurant. And ake is all slide. To slide. To slide, so...
How much?
So it's more inside. It's like we are driving.
Don't tell us what you did this morning.
This morning,
Yes.
I tried to get milk at the farm, but he wasn't there. So I have to turn back later this day. I didn't have my raw milk today. I'm fucked up, man. Perfect camping weather. This is what the fuck.
Snow is actually not too soft. Hi, go on.
We will of course take the shorter one, right?
Of course. We will of course take the longer one, right?
Yeah, the more
What you're
difficult.
talking about now?
No. Damn it.
Yeah.
Definitely taking the shorter one.
One is the shortest. But it's only differs by like 100 or 200 meters.
Then I would say we take this one.
Is it like sledge?
We would already have like nice place. I have to remember this.
Yeah. You can just... There's wood even.
Whoa!
Like ooh la la.
There's a grill.
Some extra chill.
This is probably something like made by the Kommune,
Yeah.
by Volla. No, if you would have had a Vips, we could have paid them a little bit of money. That's cool.
This is a nice. We can remember it also to sleepers. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have a crazy view here. So that's part of the fjord right there. Look at how much snow there is at the top of those mountains. It's pretty steep here. The snow, like you see, is actually pretty deep here. Look, go all, you go like really way deep. Hi. The snow is pretty deep here, so we're sinking all the way through. So now we decided to go to another mountain, about right there. A kind lady told us it's better than the one we were trying to get to. So now it's been a bit easier because people have walked here before, but if you walk along the edges of where their footprints have been, then it's a bit sturdier because the snow around the footprints of the people, it has been compressed and has been frozen over a little bit, so it's way sturdier and you don't sink through as much. We made it to the top. Apparently, according to Jan, it's -4 degrees and he's lighting a cigarette.
It has to be done. I also have a beer in the backpack, but it's so freezing and I want to drink it.
It's I reached the top reward.
Yeah, but like also music could go.
in between the mountains.
And it's not like ice, but it's more like thick.
No, wait.
It's like a tomahawk.
Nice. Don't do this. Nice. better equipment. There's a lack of the proper equipment. We're gonna do it with the back of the axe. First make the wall there, because the wind is coming from that side, sort of it's sheltered. And then we're gonna try and make a nice big shelter here.
It's to keep the Mexicans from entering Roma. Taking our jobs.
Oh, look at that. Look.
Oh, that's perfect. Oh man, that's nice.
This is a perfect block.
We should get that tree here and just make a fire here.
I think we should just make a fire here. That would be so cool.
Yeah, I mean, get it?
It's gonna be exhausting as fuck. But
Oh man, I've got it down now. Look.
Yeah, you should do it.
Watch out! Wait, don't bend.
Sorry. Sorry.
Ah.
Here.
Yeah, we have to pack snow in between the gaps.
Yeah. I have a good. Support. Yeah.
Man, we should make an igloo
No,
out
it
here.
takes hours. I want to make a fire and eat.
No. It's pretty deep still here.
Yeah. Come, let's go.
Okay, so we've decided to let the wall here firm up for a little bit, and we saw a tree a little further down, a dead one, which we're gonna cut, and we're gonna take it with us so we can make a fire here in nice in our sheltered kind of fort. Whoa, that was a massive hole. I think from here you can see it. It's that dead tree right there. From just sitting still and digging into the snow, your hands, even though I'm wearing gloves, your hands get pretty cold. It's about -4 degrees Celsius right now. It's not crazy cold. One tip when you go through cold and very deep snow is wearing gaiters, like sleeves. Those are like sleeves for your feet. They make sure no snow is getting into your shoes and your pants. I didn't wear any, but you see snow here is getting into my shoe and my pants, so it's not ideal. It's less than ideal. I think this top might be at about 750, 700 meters. Probably more like 700. But every 100 meters you go up in altitude, it gets a degree colder. That's like a rule of thumb. Oh, they have a saw as well. I don't know why I took the axe.
The Japanese saw. It doesn't take a lot of space, it's light. And because you can fold it, it doesn't rip open the stuff in your backpack.
There you go. Tom's newest addition to his arsenal.
That's why.
Oh,
The
amazing.
difference is, at this height, you have spruce trees and you have birch trees. And the spruce trees, when they are dead, they dry they rot from the outside out. So even if the outside is rot, the inside is still solid and dry. But the birch ones, they rot from the inside out. And then it's moist inside. So you
There we
can't
go.
burn those ones. Maybe we can make a fire that we can stand in our underpants.
And dance around the fire like a
Yeah,
cult.
yeah.
Hey.
Can someone hold that?
Cut off another big one, please.
You have to see, because you have to keep. Dit is echt nog easy.
The tricky part is now just managing to get across this without being stuck in a deep hole. At least it's easy to just kind of like tow the trees. I'm sinking deep here. Look at that. I'm gonna have to put the X somewhere else. Maybe in here, like this. Well, I hope I don't fall. This is pretty dangerous, but putting it in my pants was not the greatest idea. It prevents me from walking properly. We're almost there now.
I hope mine. Man, look at the clouds.
Insane. Looks like Australia or something.
I think it's even small ones.
He's good at me going. Man, you're going fast. Every time I look at the hole.
We brought some bread we made yesterday evening. We're gonna butter up the toasty iron. A sec. We're gonna press it flat a little bit. We're gonna put it in the fire. Let's go.
It's so dope.
It is.
Next up we have potatoes, sweet potatoes. Mr. President would want me to say aluminum foil.
Yeah, but fuck him, it's aluminium.
It's aluminium.
I first get it.
There we go. So we're gonna cut them up.
Why wasn't she like this?
So we're gonna have in small pieces, so they're gonna bake quicker. Oh, we should put some butter in there as well.
There's something I need to put in the fire. It's freaking nice.
Keep it tortillas, like to have it. That normal,
Yeah,
you need to do that good boy.
Let's check on the. Ooh, that might have been a bit too long. It's a little bit black, but we can scrape that one off.
Yeah, yeah, she's nice. No one
Try
ever
it.
died of cancer, right?
You can put some butter on it, but it's still doughy on the inside. But I don't really mind that much.
It's not bad.
Check the backpack.
Yeah, it's not hurt.
Man, why didn't eat something with so much cancer? I want
Stop being picky, right?
The meat is going in there.
Yeah, give me a second, it's just to melt.
You need to stay out of my kitchen.
You're like an old married couple.
I don't want to be married like that.
You want some of this? Sure.
I'll put some butter with it already. Now I do.
Nice.
Night. Okay, so we're trying something different. We're going to bake some bread in aluminium foil with some butter. So maybe it doesn't burn that way. I'm not sure. As it's just frozen solid. There you go. Sweet potato, some bread. Oh, those sweet potatoes are in the fire, man. And then there's gonna be some meat. We got some ground beef.
I can put it in.
Yeah. Okay, we got out the bread from the toasty iron. Cut it open. Oh, looks good.
Oh, nice.
I'll put some butter on it.
Put it like that. It's gonna be this. Ah, nice.
Gonna put some butter on it and some honey.
Ah.
And we're gonna enjoy. That is good.
Oh man, I love honey so much.
Some butter, some honey, and some salt. It's the best. I didn't burn the bread this time.
No, this is really nice.
Yeah. I hope the potatoes turn out nice too. Well, it's dark. You probably don't see anything. We still got a little fire left, but the potatoes are still in there. I don't know. Maybe they will be done. We're gonna head down in a bit. The crazy part is it's only 4:45, and it's already dark. We'll see you guys another time when we finish this snow fort.